Hey everybody, I'm excited. Repeat after me. I am an independent thinker.
I am an independent thinker.
I think for myself.
I think for myself.
I make my own decisions.
I make my own decisions.
I love bleep funnels.
I love bleep funnels.
I love bleep funnels 2.0 and I haven't even seen it yet.
I love bleep funnels.
I don't want to be part of the clique. I want to be part of the groove.
In March of 2022, ClickFunnels will introduce their all-new, untested ClickFunnels 2.0 to the masses. When it fails to inspire, the indoctrinated will cheer on like lemmings as their businesses fade into the annals of history. And others, the brave, the wise, will choose not to be part of the clique and rise to be part of the groove. Will you?
I'm in a groove state of mind, moving all the time. No excuses and no blame, stepping up my game. I'm a groove stew, yes I am.